Intraday Screener versus Tradefinder. Which tool fits your trading style? Intraday Screener is a feature-rich analytics platform built for traders who want a 360 degrees market view. It offers real-time alerts on technical breakouts like volume, range, and moving averages. You also get pre-built scanners such as opening range breakout, Georgia and square of 9, and price action scans, plus extras like sector performance, option strategy builders, and F4 dashboards. It's designed for traders who want lots of data and customizable scanning tools. TradeFinder, on the other hand, is a live market scanner focused mainly on F4 stocks and indices. It's great for spotting intraday, swing, and scalping opportunities, but some users report data latency issues, meaning signals may lag behind actual market moves. That makes it best as a supplementary tool rather than your only decision maker. Bottom line, if you need a comprehensive data heavy platform, go for Intraday Screener. If you want a simpler FO focus scanner, TradeFinder can work. Just be mindful of its real time limitations. Do your own research first.